Stop scrolling and look at this cinder block. Most people see construction waste. I see the architectural skeleton of a designer home. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on Senior Designer Secrets to turn a $2 concrete block into breathtaking, high-artistry decor. This isn't just DIY. It's industrial alchemy. Let's elevate your sanctuary. Hello, my beautiful community of mindful creators. I'm Beki, and welcome back to Beki Décor. If you've been dreaming of a sleek, modern interior but the cost of furniture feels out of reach, this masterclass is your breakthrough. We are decoding cool ways to use DIY cinder blocks that blend brutalist architecture with organic minimalism. Whether you're painting them for a pop of color or stacking them for architectural volume, I'm showing you how to turn the unexpected into the extraordinary. Let's make something beautiful. The Concrete Revelation Senior Designer Secret 1. The Brutalist Blueprint, Architectural Volume. We begin with architectural volume. Cinder blocks have an inherent industrial integrity. By stacking them as a base for a media console, we create a massive visual anchor. The Senior Designer Secret: don't hide the holes. Use them as linear negative space to create a sense of lightness in a heavy material. The Concrete Revelation Senior Designer Secret 2. Material Alchemy, the power of paint. To move from dorm room to designer boutique, we use material alchemy. We are applying a matte, chalky, terracotta, or sandstone paint. This changes the tactile integrity of the block, making it look like expensive cast stone rather than cheap cement. It's a total color revelation for your space. The Concrete Revelation Senior Designer Secret 3. The Sculptural Nightstand, Spatial Integrity. In Segment 3, we create spatial integrity. A single cinder block, painted in a deep obsidian, becomes a sculptural nightstand. By placing a warm LED light inside the block's hollow core, we create shadow architecture that glows from within. It's an instant luminous highlight. The Concrete Revelation Senior Designer Secret 4. The Living Wall, Biophilic Integration. Cinder blocks were made for biophilic styling. By turning the blocks on their sides and planting succulents in the hollows, you create a living geometric wall. This material dialogue between the raw, gray concrete and the vibrant greenery is the heart of organic minimalism. The Concrete Revelation Senior Designer Secret 5. The Outdoor Throne, Structural Weight. Let's move to the garden. Using cinder blocks as the base for a bench adds structural weight that won't blow away. By threading 4x4 timber through the holes, you create a linear rhythm that feels like a high-end park bench. It's about using the block's hollow nature as a functional tool. The Concrete Revelation Senior Designer Secret 6. The Floating Shelf, Compositional Continuity. To add architectural depth, we use blocks as shelf supports. By spacing them unevenly, we create a visual narrative that feels more like art than storage. This bespoke arrangement ensures your budget-friendly DIY looks like a calculated architectural choice. The Concrete Revelation Senior Designer Secret 7. Atmospheric Curation, the Glow Up. Nighttime design is about atmospheric curation. For your cinder block projects, use metallic gold paint only on the interior of the holes. When the evening light hits, the block produces a radiant glow that feels like hidden treasure. This is the luminous revelation your room needs. Before you go and raid the local hardware store, I want to say a huge thank you to this mindful community. Seeing you turn unexpected items into extraordinary decor is why I love Beki Décor. If you're ready to try the obsidian nightstand or the living wall, Tell me in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep weaving our stories together. Happy decorating! Remember, your home is a testament to your infinite potential. When we find beauty in a simple cinder block, we find beauty in the overlooked parts of ourselves. Trust your material alchemy, lean into the raw and the industrial, and create a breathtaking sanctuary that reflects your soul. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Stay inspired.